Guys, and welcome to Lion Rock Ranch. Today I'm going to show you a really cool shortcut on how to save money on dill pickles. It's the end of the season for our cucumbers here in mid central California, so I went out to the garden today and pulled some of the last ones. They're ones that you generally wouldn't eat in a salad. You could. Might be a little bitterness in them, but what I do to them is I do a quick shortcut. I have a whole jar of dill pickle juice that we bought at the store, and of course you can pickle your own cucumbers to make your own dill pickles if you want and go through that process, but this is a little faster, a little easier. So what I did is I've got my cucumbers. I've already cut the ends off because I don't like the ends in my pickles, and I've got a mandolin and my good friend Scaly and Froggy over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these. I've already set my my thickness. It depends on how thick you want yours. These are going to be hamburger dills slices. So I did them about 1/8 of an inch maybe thick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get these all sliced up. And then what I'm going to do is once I get them all sliced up, I'm going to put them into a mason jar. I'm going to set that to the side and show you. So that's basically how they came out. So I'm going to put them all into a mason jar, a clean mason jar, of course. I'm just going to plop them in there, and I'm going to go through as many of these cucumbers as I can. To get this jar filled up, it's probably only going to take a few of these pickles. So let me go ahead and do another one. I think I'll take this smaller one right here. There's a variety of different sizes in there. I want to get cut. And maybe this one right here. One of the good things about these pickles is you're saving money by not having to buy them, and they'll sit on your shelf and you'll let them cure in the pickle juice from your jars that you had already bought. All right, let's see how many we have. You can get them in there kind of flat, and then you can get more in there than you think you can. Push them down in there. Till you think that you just can't get any more. That'll do it. You got a nice jar of dill pickle chips that you can put on hamburgers once they've cured for a while. So then I'm going to there is one more pickle left in this jar. I'm not going to I won't use all this juice, so I'll go ahead and save it. But I'm going to just take this juice and pour it into this jar until it's all the way up. These are all covered. Put it back so you can see it better. Just fill it up. You want to get them all covered if you can. Just fill it up, okay? So then you're going to take your lid, pop it on there, put your ring on it. You do not have to use a jar sealer if you don't want to. It's vinegar, it's going to cure itself. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your marker and mark today's date on it. So today is July 30th, 25. And that way I'll know in about 6 to 8 months that these pickles will be done. And you'll have your own homemade dill pickle hamburger dill chips. Okay, hope that helps. If you like this video, please follow and like it, and if you can, repost it. Thanks so much.